Hello my dear viewers, this is Bushcraft Bear speaking to you live here from the Canary Islands, La Palma. It is Wednesday late afternoon, beautiful day. A few minutes ago there was some rain. I saw a very nice rainbow. And now the island is getting greener and greener. You can see the clouds, the sky looks very beautiful here, the west coast, and the volcano still quite calm. Absolutely fantastic. I show you this. The air is very clean at the moment. I can see everything here, and the volcano. There's the volcano cone. Let's go a little bit closer. Okay, that's the volcano cone, and you can see here the lava stream. Here La Laguna in the middle of the screen. Here those two mountains. And here the lava deltas in the Atlantic Ocean. Here in the south you can see Las Indias here. Now in the middle of the screen there. That's how it looks like today. Oh, there's a rainbow. Look at that, beautiful.
Sobre todo con esta sorpresa que nos tiene preparado el equipo que representa a Harry, que va a ser el protagonista que entre en esos hogares, pero hay un equipo enorme detrás de este programa del que no quiero olvidarme, lo mismo que todos estos días, una hora menos también estando muy al pie de cada uno de los programas.
So now I'm here in Los Llanos, and it looks like that there is a TV show here live. They said something about it will start in a few minutes, so I stay here and maybe I can film a little bit. I think I saw the president of La Palma here, from the island La Palma. Maybe I can make some footage for you. So now I'm back here on the top of the hill, and the volcano is quite silent. I cannot see any lava at all.